Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a paper pumpkin unboxing. This one's a little bit late. Usually I try and do my lives on the 21st, but I'm not going to be able to do that. I think I'm going to do it tomorrow. So look for me tomorrow. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll put these together, and then we'll make some alternatives. But let's go ahead and open it up. This one, we already knew it was going to be some kind of ice cream. And so I see here, what's it called? Ice Cream Corner. Oh, this is the Designer Series paper that's out right now. So if you wanted to get that before it goes away. I'm sure they are on the last days of ordering since the new catalog's coming out. Anyways, let's look at these stamps. We do have a watermelon. We have an ice cream. We have probably some drips. I'd assume that's drips. Hey there, happy birthday. You are so cool, and way to go. So those are our stamps. Our color is Bermuda Bay. And then let's open this guy up and see what we have. It looks like we've got some twine in here, and the twine looks to be, I would say bumblebee. What do you think? Yeah, that looks to be a bumblebee color. Have you guys seen the new in colors? I'm surprised there wasn't a new in color in here, because it seems like they usually kind of sneak one in. At least I remember last year they did. So let's see here. All right, there we go. Okay, so let's open this up. And of course, we've got our dimensionals. I love all the dimensionals. We've got our envelopes. And they have colored, what looks to be colored paper, but it's just drawn on there, actually. So we've got that. How many are we making? We'll see. Let's look. It always comes with instructions. And, oh, you guys, that's enough to make 12 cards and envelopes. And then, of course, you know we play around and make more. So it always comes with the instructions. And then we have some kiwi ice cream pops. These look like kind of the kind you get in Mexico that have the fruit in the ice cream. So how cool is that? We've got these guys. You know that would taste delicious if it was a real ice cream there. These are super cute. We've got some watermelon. And rainbows. Oh! We have 3 and 3. Is that what that is? Yep, we have 3 and 3. So we have 3 rainbow, 3 watermelon. These are, we've got stickers. Oh, we're going to have fun. And I see sparkly. I'm going to save the sparkly for last. We've got punch outs here. So you're going to stamp these and then punch them out. And then these, are these stickers or are these punch outs? Let's see. These are punch outs. So we've got glittery punch outs. We've got these long ones here. And then it looked like I saw, yep, these guys. These are fun. Look at those. I'm just going to punch those out now because I love the satisfaction of the feel of the punching. Ooh, this is fun. So we get all this and enough to make 12 cards. So if you are not yet subscribed and you want to put these together with me live, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If for some reason you aren't getting notified, or but you have the button pushed, unsubscribe and resubscribe, and make sure you hit that button that says all. So then you'll be notified for everything that I do. So they'll pop on. And tomorrow, sometime in the morning, Pacific time, it'll be earlier in the morning, one of the first things I do. So we will get together and put these together. Let's say 9 a.m. Pacific time. Let's do that, okay? Because I wasn't able to do it on the 21st like I normally do because of shipping. So we'll put these together tomorrow, which is Sunday the 25th at 9 a.m. But if you wanted to order now, go to my website, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. You can order if you want to go to our class in May, order the Tasteful Touches stamp set bundle, or a $50 minimum order, and that'll get you into my May class. And you can use this host code here. And before you leave, just make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me. And I cannot wait. We're going to make cards, we're going to make some alternatives, and we are going to have a good time. All right, beauties, have a wonderful afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and just make it a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.